Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Brandon Turner, host of the BiggerPockets Podcast, author of a lot of real estate books like How to Invest in Real Estate, the book on rental property investing, and a new one I got coming out soon called the Multifamily Millionaire. But today, I want to be discussing a very simple question that you can ask people to get more deals this year. Seriously, you're going to be able to find incredible deals with one simple question. But of course, this would be like a 12-second video if I just gave you it. So before we get to that question, let me address the elephant or maybe multiple elephants in the room. The real estate market is too crazy high. We're in a bubble. I can't find any deals. What am I going to do? What if I buy and the market crashes? Oh, no. I mean, I could go on and on and on with a lot of excuses that, honestly, a lot of real estate investors are using right now as to why they're not investing in real estate. And yeah, I'm using air quotes because a lot of people, they think they're real estate investors, but they're not willing to do any work whatsoever to actually find a property. It's like me saying I got a six-pack even though I don't because I don't want to go to the gym. Now, before we get to the question that could change your year, let me ask you one simple question. And I need you to be honest with yourself in this response. How many people have you talked with about real estate investing in the past, we'll call it week? I'll repeat that. In the last 7 days, how many people have you talked to about real estate investing? How many agents, brokers, lenders, property managers have you spoken with in the last week? Now, if the answer is, zero, what excuse did you immediately give when you realized that? Now, maybe it was, I don't even know who I talked to, or, why would I talk to people when there's no deals? Whatever reason that stops you from talking to them. Remember, if you don't go after things, if you don't ask out that girl, you're never going to get a date. Now, I can guarantee you this one thing. If you're not talking to anyone about real estate, there is a really, really good chance you're not finding any deals. If you like sports, Wayne Gretzky famously said, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. So what can you change today that'll help you find more deals? Well, one of the strategies I teach on webinars, often at BiggerPockets, and I've put it in some of my books, it's a really easy thing for new investors to do. Set a reminder on your phone every single, let's say, Monday morning. Then go to Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace and go to the for rent section. Look for every one of the mom and pop landlords listing their properties for rent. You always know it's a mom and pop, by the way, because it's going to be 2 lines of text and a crappy photo. Good property managers will do a better photo. Anyway, so call them up and simply ask the question, or say, hey, I'm John Smith. Hopefully that's not your name. I'm calling about your ad for 123 Main Street. It's now a bad time to chat. Great. Well, I'm not looking to rent your property. I'm actually a new investor looking to buy a rental property, and I was wondering if you'd be open-minded to selling this one. Now, chances are that's not going to get you anywhere, right? I mean, they're not going to want to sell that property. They already got all ready for rent. It's not really a problem for them, so why would they want to sell that? Well, think about it this way. We know that they are a real estate investor. We know that they're probably not very good at listing their property for rent, which means that they might not be a very good landlord at all. And if they say no, that's okay. I mean, think about it. You survived a cold call, you're building a relationship with a real estate investor in your market. But, and this is where we're getting to the key of this video, if you want to actually turn a no into deal flow, you can ask this one simple question. Do you have anything else you'd be thinking about selling, or you'd be willing to sell, or that's causing you some headaches? I mean, chances are they're going to have at least one property in their portfolio that gives them a headache. Almost every investor does. But you'll never know unless you ask the question. You see, when you first get on the phone with them and you ask them about their property that they actually are marketing, that one's not a problem. So ask about their problem. I mean, that one phone call could turn into a deal or 10 deals. Who knows? Maybe they own 40 properties and they're going to sell 10 of them to you. Or who knows, right? The biggest thing to remember as a real estate investor is that you are a problem solver. Focus on finding solutions to other people's problems, and your deal flow is going to change dramatically. What are your thoughts? Comment below, let us know. And if you want to join one of those weekly webinars I mentioned earlier, just go to biggerpockets.com/webinar. And don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button to learn more and to make this the best year of your real estate investment journey. My name is Brandon Turner, signing off.